Hey everybody, it's me Marquita and Post Malone. We are here. Oh,
I'm Gary. We're coming in.
Hannah.
Hannah, you gonna taste this?
Okay, walk in the van.
And I'm Savannah.
And we are here to do this. I haven't never seen these. Okay. I got this from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was. Today the girls got their booster shot. So, I asked them what treat they wanted and they picked this out. Well, they picked out ice cream and then they wanted cookies. And so, seeing these.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Go ahead. And I'm gonna open it, Gary. Please.
I guess what it'll be, right?
Huh? What do you mean what it would be?
Oh,
It's gonna be half strawberry, half cheesecake.
I just saw in the back front. I thought it looked like it was 2 different colors.
Well, it is.
No, I mean I thought it was like one was all red, one was white.
Break it in half. Over here.
That's what it looks like. It's half strawberry, half cream cheese.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
I want to try one. I like it.
Okay. I wonder if it'd be better warm.
Sure.
Because I'm not tasting no cream cheese. You know, I'm tasting mostly the graham crust.
It tastes just like a white frosting instead of cheesecake.
Yeah. That's what I was trying to figure out.
I mean, it's okay, but it's definitely not cheesecake.
That's funny. Look at this joke. Try to avoid small kitchen appliances, especially in the morning. That's funny. I probably eat them, but they're not gonna be my go-to. What about you, Carol?
Mine. I mean, I'll eat them, but I don't see nothing special about them.
No, I was excited because I thought it was going to taste like cheesecake. Well, that was disappointing. Hannah, do you want to try it before I end the video?
You want to try a bite of this? Hannah, you want to try a bite of the Pop-Tart? The new Pop-Tart. Yeah, she is. Come on. Here, come on up here. Try it. See what you think about it. Come on. It's half strawberry, half cheesecake. Here. Dig in. Eat some with a cheesecake too, baby. Eat some on the white side with it. Do you like it?
What do you think? You like
You
it?
give it a 5.
I am addicted. I'm addicted to these. Better than cheddar. Better cheddar. Better cheddar. Yes, that's my, what is it, Boston? Or Wisconsin. What accent am I trying to do, Gary?
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Green Bay.
Better cheddar. Please forgive me, people that are from Wisconsin that do not talk like
We know
that.
it sounds horrible.
We know it sounds horrible. The Bears, the Bears, the Bears, the Bears. Do it, Gary. The Bears. The Bears.
What's that from Illinois?
Huh?
That's from Illinois.
Yeah, but it's
The
that's
Green Bay
like
Packers is who you're thinking of.
well, that was like
Wisconsin.
what I'm saying. That's one of my favorite skits
Yeah.
off of SNL. The Bears, the Bears, the Bears, the Bears. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, look it up. SNL classic. Chris Farley and
Chris Farley, Norm from Cheers.
and Michael Jordan. Well, Michael Jordan was on like one of the skits because I think they did the Bulls, and then the Bulls, and then to me it's a funny skit. That was like one of my favorite ones. The Bears. Yeah, the Bears. What's your favorite? Your total, absolutely favorite SNL sketch.
Justin Timberlake.
Yes, and
guy with the
yeah, huh? When he does the coming on down the whatever
Yeah,
something.
that one. All of them. Anything with him.
Well,
in.
which one would you talk about?
The one where they're him and the other guy.
Just make up a song.
Yeah. Where they're giving the gift.
Oh,
Right.
I got my in a box. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that is my favorite ones. I like the bring it on down and then you just fill it in. Well, no, it's usually whatever the thing is. Like it could be sausage, bring it on down to Sausageville, or bring it on down to Wineville, whatever the thing is bring it on down to whateverville. My favorite, absolute favorite skit of SNL is the most classic one, Cowbell.
Yeah.
Love Cowbell. I got a fever, and the only thing that will cure is more cowbell, baby. Love it. Love it. And which other one do I like? I can't think of anything else. I like Molly Shannon. I mean, she was kind of... So I liked her sister,
Will
Mary
Ferrell.
Clarence. Love Will Ferrell. He's classic. About all the ones that he did, I did like Will Ferrell. I did like Chris Kattan when he was Mambo. Did you like Nights at the Roxbury's? I liked it on, but then when they made the movie, I didn't like the movie.
It was
in
a
that
cute
term.
skit. It makes a cute skit.
Yeah, that's what
but
I was
that's
saying.
As far as it goes, yeah.
Yeah, once they made it into a movie, I'm just like, I don't need it. But
Like the Blues Brothers.
I was gonna say I'm the total opposite when it comes to the Wayne's World. I like Wayne's World movie. I don't like the Wayne's World skits. Like when Mike Myers and Dave
Dana Carvey.
Damon Carvey, when they doing.
Gotta have church woman.
Well, I mean, that was kind of your era, the church woman. But like I said, I like the movie Wayne's World. I don't like the skits. But I like the skits of Nights at the Roxbury's. But I don't like the movie. I'm like good with a lot of things. What else? The Bears.
Sweaty balls.
Yes.
Sweaty balls.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you can't forget about the one when Betty White was on there.
Yeah.
I like Betty White as
the prison one.
Yeah.
The New Orange.
Yeah.
Or black. Orange.
She's hilarious. She's hilarious.
There's so many good skits.
Yeah. My favorite.
Like the Jeopardy type one.
My favorite Mad TV skit is that's My White Mama. I love that one. My favorite In Living Color skit. I'm digging back in my archives, everybody, because I was young when that was on. Fire Marshal Bill.
Yeah, that's what I was say. Fire Marshal.
Fire Marshal Bill, hands down. Yeah, hands down was the best. The second, like a very close second, and I don't know what the name of that skit was, when Damon Wayans. If you don't get off this cord, Savannah, thank you. When he had like a pickle in a jar, but it was supposed to like poop and dookie in a jar. And I'm barely remembering that one, so I could be wrong. Like I said, I was really young in that when that was out. But Fire Marshal Bill is the only one that's sticking out of my head. And of course, I love the Fly Girls. Because, of course, in my head, I was doing what they were doing. Nowhere close. Any other?
What was your favorite Tracy Morgan skit?
Every time.
Oh, man. I can't think of one.
You like the one with Debbie Downer?
I did.
Debbie Downer.
I love Debbie Downer. I don't remember her name. And I do like Sherry O'Terry. That's the one that did. She was a cheerleader with Will Ferrell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did she do Simmer Down Now? Simmer Down Now. Simmer Down Now. Yeah, I think that was her.
Yeah.
The Simmer Down Now. My favorite Eddie Murphy, and that's just, I guess, because I've been watching it lately, when he was like the Black Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood.
Yeah.
I don't know what his name was, but he's like, "Hi, boys and girls," you know. So I liked it, that one. That was like my love everything that John Belushi, not John Belushi, John, right? That was a brother, right?
John, yeah.
John Belushi, love everything that he did. He was before his time. Him and Chris Farley.
Yeah, him and Chris Farley are basically the same character.
Yeah, was before their time. Like they were great in their time, and even if they didn't die, they would still be, in my opinion, very popular because they were ahead of their time. So, like, I love and I'm trying to really think of one that I was. See, I like the movie. I didn't know that it was originally a skit until after I've seen the movie. So I'm kind of partial to the movie because I didn't know nothing about the skit.
About the wild and crazy guy.
Yeah, but you wild and crazy guy.
I liked it when they went on the dating show together.
Yeah.
That was
Well,
cute.
were all the little couple dudes? Because it was like Wild and Crazy Guys. Then it was like Justin and that one dude.
Yeah.
And then it was like it was somebody else that I think it was Wayne's World. David Carvey and Mike Myers.
Yeah, maybe.
I think because I know it was 3 different groups and they was doing that just to pay homage to like basically the people.
Yeah.
But yeah, did you know that Tom Hanks cannot stand the can't stand that character that he made up that is
Inferno Heat, is that what the name was?
I don't remember the one
Or
with
the flaming jacket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like I didn't think it was gonna take off. He goes, now everybody wants me to do that skit. And he's like, I can't stand that character. But I think what they should do, and this is just my opinion, everybody, I think that they should put together all the basically the one-hit wonders that actually, or the skits that they thought, okay, nobody's not gonna ever like, and it took off, like the Justin and Dude, or the Justin Bring It On Down to Whateverville, and Wild and Crazy Guys. I don't know if they knew that was gonna be a hit, but well, I was gonna say they Blues Brothers, but they can't because John's dead.
I didn't like a whole lot of Chevy Chase characters on that SNL.
Yeah, he wasn't fun, but
it was dull.
I didn't like John Candy either. Like he seemed like he was a big old cuddly bear, but I didn't think he can act.
John Candy wasn't on SNL.
I know. I'm saying when you say Chevy Chase, the second person that pops in my head is John Candy.
Yeah.
But I didn't think he can act.
Kind of dull, yeah.
I love the movie Uncle Buck, but I didn't like him. And what was that one where he ate that big old steak, and then he had to eat the fat too?
I think it was Great Outdoors.
I don't remember that one. I was like, I would never eat meat again.
That was disgusting.
That was nasty.
That's the same one with the bear, wasn't it?
I think so.
With the ball butt.
Yeah. But I don't think it was his acting. I'm thinking it was the roles that they gave him, because I think that's when they were saying that Canada SNL, or it was Canada something, was competing with SNL at that time, and so John Candy, I don't remember what the the war that was going on.
Well, that brought on that movie, Canadian Bacon.
I don't remember.
Where John Candy and them were going up to start war with Canada.
Yeah.
They're invading Canada.
Yeah.
That was around that same time.
But it was because of the real beef that was going on between the two shows.
What's her name? Gilda Radner. What was your favorite character of hers?
I don't know who she is.
Rosanna Dana.
I don't know her.
Okay.
That might have been before my time.
Might have been. That's the only thing I can remember her actually doing.
I don't know.
Let's see, who else? I can't think of anybody else.
I can't either. I guess.
I like her particularly.
What, Hannah? Anyways.
Oh, what's that? The guy that you were so worried about over there.
Pete Davis.
Yeah, what was he? What was his your favorite character? His?
I don't know because I'm mad at him. I really can't remember anything that he was in because I'm mad at him. How dare you get sprung so fast, Mr. Pete Davis? How dare thee?
How dare you?
That's all I'm saying. I mean...
Bye, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Well, I guess we're going to go because Hannah's
Signing off, so I guess you say
Let's
it's
go.
time.
Alright, bye-bye.